Welcome back, everybody. Today I got this part for my 240SX with the Silvia front end, and this is a bracket for my bricks. Mine are broken to hell. I bought those brick headlights very cheaply years ago, but they were like broken. All the brackets pretty much are broken and stuff. But anyways, it's 2025 and somebody decided to use 3D printing to make this.
Genius, pure genius.
It cost me about $25, I believe, but I screw up. I should have bought both of them. I only bought one.
Dumbass.
So it is what it is. And I bought him from this page right here. I think you say it, Garage Imperial. I think that's how you say it. It comes with some instructions right here. I only bought one side instead of buying both.
Moron.
Which I should have done that. And this is pretty much just some instructions on how to do it. Very simple stuff. And right here it tells you how to do it. I have not read if these are stainless steel screws or not. So if they are, I'll use this. If not, I'm just gonna use my own that are stainless steel. Probably gonna use this with some JV Weld epoxy clear to mount this on. Yes, they are stainless steel, so I will be using this stuff right here, these screws. And like I said, it seems very easy to mount. And let me tell you why I decided to get this brand, because there's other people that make this and some look even better, but this is the main reason why I decided to get this brand. I did a 5-minute Google research and I found out that this material is better than the other brands I was looking at. This is made out of ASA versus the other brands that I was looking at. They were made out of PETG. And my Google research said that ASA is much better for outdoors than PETG. I don't know how true that is. Like I said, I only did a 5-minute research on this, and I live in Texas, so you know it gets very, very hot in here. I don't want this thing just melting and falling apart. So that's why I decided to go with this brand. Hopefully I was right. If not, it is what it is. Live and learn. But yeah, I will be buying the other side, and I'll be doing both sides on my bricks, and I'll make a video on how I do it. I went on YouTube and did not see anybody else done it. Maybe I didn't find the video, but I will be making a video on how you install this or how I'm gonna do it, in case you're interested.
I'm not interested, man. Sorry. Well, you better get interested.
I know that you can buy replica bricks now for 500, I think, or 600, 800, something like that. I'm sorry, I don't remember, but I know I follow the guy that makes them. But I said I'm just gonna fix mine since I paid like $200 for my bricks a few years ago. But like I said, they were all broken on the sides and whatnot, and I just bought them because I did a quad retrofit on them. But anyways, I will be making a how-to, so like, share, and follow, guys. Mainly follow me, guys. Leave some comments.